In this guide, we'll walk you through 4 practical methods to help you learn how to restore contacts on Redmi. Way 1. How to restore deleted contacts on Redmi by Coolmuster Lab.Fone for Android. Coolmuster Lab.Fone for Android allows you to scan and retrieve deleted contacts, messages, call logs, and more from your Redmi device's internal storage. Step 1. Install Coolmuster Lab.Fone for Android on your computer by downloading it from the official website. Step 2. Use a USB cable to connect your Redmi device to the PC, and follow the on-screen instructions to enable USB debugging. Step 3. Once the connection is successful, select contacts from the data types and click Next to proceed. Step 4. Choose either a quick scan or deep scan based on your needs, and allow the software to scan your device for lost contacts. Step 5. When the scan finishes, preview the recoverable contacts in the list and click Recover to save them onto your computer. Way 2. How to retrieve deleted contacts on Redmi with Mi Cloud. If Mi Cloud Contact Sync was enabled, deleted Redmi contacts can be recovered online within 30 days through the Mi Cloud web platform without installing extra software. Step 1. Open a web browser on your computer and go to https://i.mi.com, then sign in with your Mi account. Step 2. Once logged in, click on the Contacts section. Step 3. At the top of the page, look for and click the Restore Contacts button if available. Step 4. Choose a backup point that was created before the contacts were deleted. Step 5. After the restoration process is complete, the contacts will automatically sync back to your Redmi phone. Way 3. How to recover deleted contacts on Redmi via Google Contacts. If your Redmi phone was synced with a Google account, you can restore deleted contacts through Google Contacts without installing software. This browser-based method works best for Google users and can recover contacts deleted within 30 days. Step 1. Open the Google Contacts page in your browser. Step 2. Sign in using the Google account linked to your Redmi phone. Step 3. Click the gear icon in the top right corner and choose Undo Changes. Step 4. In the pop-up window, select a time point to restore your contacts to, for example, 10 minutes ago, 1 hour ago, yesterday, etc. Step 5. Confirm your selection, and your contact list will be restored to the chosen time. Step 6. After that, go back to your Redmi phone and enable Contact Sync, Settings, Accounts and Sync. Google turn on Contact Sync, and the restored contacts will be synced to your device. Way 4. How to restore deleted contacts on Redmi through SIM card. If you previously saved your contacts to the SIM card, restoring them becomes much easier. Even if you've changed phones or accidentally deleted your contacts, as long as the SIM card is still available, you can retrieve them by importing. Step 1. Open the Contacts app on your Redmi phone. Step 2. Tap the menu button in the top right corner, usually represented by 3 dots or a gear icon. Step 3. Select Import Export Contacts, import from SIM card. Step 4. The system will scan the contacts stored on your SIM card. Choose the contacts you want to import. Step 5. Finally, select whether to import them to your phone's internal storage or to your Google account.